walking with us.
Hi everyone! Good morning! I'm back! It's your Mama Sam. So kasama ko dito si Roach na napakagwapo.
Hi, good morning.
Kamusta ka?
I'm good.
Good! So syempre nanood kami ng Mr. International at isa siya sa mga kasama ko kanina. So nasaksihan niya ng bongga yung event. So ang chichikahin natin siya kung ano yung reaction niya, kunin natin. Okay Roach, kamusta sa'yo ang Mr. International? First time yung manood?
Yeah, first time.
And then, kamusta? Kwento ka. Takasap naman boses mo, dito ka na.
Pasensya na kasi sumisigaw ako kanina na Philippines, ako yata yung pinakamalakas na sigaw. Production-wise, napakaganda. You can see na well prepared, Mr. International Organization. Well managed from the cameraman sa host, yun, magagaling yung mga host natin.
Siyempre kasi Thailand, so talagang management talaga sila pagdating sa production, panalo yan. Pero siyempre yung opening show, anong masasabi, anong reaction mo doon?
Yung opening show is, for me, is kinda different. Because merong, di ba kumanta may perform siya na si Kim. Good Bird. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, tsaka yung isang babae na singer. Ayun, okay naman yung opening number.
Yun, sa opening number, sobrang nabonggahan ako kasi panalo yung light nila. Yung talagang parang ma-excite ka. Kasi di ba parang close and open yung kanilang lighting. Tapos ayun nga, siyempre gusto ko yung favorite yung ako din. Oo. So, favorite ko doon yung It's Raining Men. Ayan, ang bongga. At take note, ang galing ni Kurt sumayaw.
Yeah.
Yes. Si J.O. Piazza 2.0.
For the first time, di ba?
Oo,
Parang
ang galing. And then, si Kurt naman mahilig talaga sa sumayaw. Pero hindi ko akalain na ibibigay niya talaga yung gano'ng
Yung best
kabongga
niya.
performance.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi gumigiling.
Okay, punta naman tayo dun sa host.
Yung sa mga host,
Si Kim,
of course,
syempre magaling si Kim.
Nakita na
Saka
natin
yung
si
isa
Kim.
nilang partner.
Yeah, kung paano siya mag-host, tsaka anong pangalan nga yun?
Yung basta yun na yun.
Si
Kasi
Atisa
madalas ko siya
yun,
nakikita. Ayun,
good
Atisa.
opportunity kay Atisa yun. At saka napakaganda ni Atisa kanina. Yung kanyang styling, maganda. Yan. At saka yung hosting is an opportunity sa kanya yun to be seen sa Thailand. Lalo na, di ba, upcoming na yung Miss Universe is coming in November. Correct?
Ako naman, yung kay Atisa, syempre ito yung first time na makikita ko si Atisa. Pero kanina yung nag-usap kami sa backstage, sabi niya sa akin, "Hi Mama Sam." Yun, natuwa naman ako. Yung nakita niya na ako doon na nakatayo doon sa kanya, kumaway siya. So, pero yung first impression ko sa kanya, yung nagkita kami, parang hindi ako na-excite. Yung nakapin siya. Wala doon yung excitement ko kasi nakafocus ako doon sa performance ni Kurt.
Yeah.
So kung ano yung nangyayari, basta doon ako nakafocus. Pero in fairness kay Atisa, ang galing ng hosting niya.
Yeah, magaling siya.
Yun.
Yeah, nag-practice si Atisa.
Ayun, nag-practice. Hindi magaling pa.
Pati sa Q&A. O diba, in-practice niya yung mga kailangan meron siyang sasabihin talaga sa mga sa bawat questions kanina. Diba sumasagot din siya? Parang ano yung answer mo sa question na to?
Tapos,
Which is good.
Ang ganda ni Atisa. Diyos ko, lakas nito maka-top 5 sa Miss Universe. Ayan na ha, sinabi ko na sa inyo. So yun. So maganda yung presensya, maganda yung nakikita natin kay Atisa. Ang ganda ng ayos niya noong nakataas yung buhok niya. Yung white. Okay. So, sa mga pumasok sa top 20, sino yung inaasahan mo na papasok na hindi pumasok at sino naman yung na-surprise ka? Doon muna sa mga hindi inaasahan mo na hindi nakapasok.
Hindi inaasahan na nakapasok. Si Venezuela, di ba?
Na-expect mo.
Hindi na-expect ko siya nakapasok. Tapos si
Sino? Ayan.
Si Italy ba? Si Italy yun. Si Italy talaga yung... Oh, I thought na
Sino
na
pa?
makapasok siya. Tapos yung surprise, big surprise is kasi naligal sila. Si Egypt.
Na-surprise ka kay Egypt. Bakit?
Kasi nga, I think yung yung downside niya is yung kung paano siya maglakad. So parang inisip ko, baka hindi nila ipasukan. So hindi ko talaga siya sinama. Yun. Pero yung the rest, katulad ni yung Sri Lanka, alam ko na makakapasok siya. Makakapasok siya. Kasi nga parang pag nakita mo yung yung performance yung preliminary is pasok doon sa top 20.
Ako na-surprise ako kay Dominican Republic.
Na hindi siya nakasama. Ayun din pala. Kasama
Si Curaçao. Yung may isa pa yung national cause na Nicaragua. Q. Basta merong yung sa top 5 ng national costume.
Costa Rica. Ay, hindi.
Hindi. Anyway, so yun. So panalo naman kanina yung announcement ng top 20. Pero sa top 20, kanino ka na-amaze na performance talaga?
Top 20. Siyempre si Kurt.
Maliban kay Kurt.
Um,
Yung stunning sa stage.
Stunning sa stage. Yung mga din ba yung mga nag-perform talaga tulad yan, no? Yung Thailand, si Indonesia, sino pa ba? Si France.
Okay. So pagdating naman dun sa top 10, kanino kayong dapat nasa top 10 to pero wala?
Sa top 10 pero wala. Kasi meron akong list eh. Sino?
Indonesia. Ayun.
Ayun, si Indonesia wala.
Mhm. Okay.
Siya yung wala. Yun. Si
Pero bukod doon sa kay Indonesia, ang yung surprising na may nag-tie.
Ay, oo.
Anong masasabi mo doon?
Hindi ko alam.
Tingin mo
Wala
ba,
akong masabi. Pero
tingin mo ba mali yung nangyari or dapat, ako kasi sa tingin ko okay na ako kasi expected ko makakapasok talaga si Thailand sa top 10. Expected ko yun. Kasi kung tutuusin, kung titignan mo yung performance niya, yung buong as in talagang magaling talagang mag-manage din naman ang laban niya si Thailand. Pero, ang yung announcement, na na-announce na nila yung top 10, tapos biglang nagkaroon ng plus 1, yung parang surprise to everybody na parang dapat kasi yun, pag sinabi nyo yung top 10, papanindigan nyo na ng top 10. Or else, kung meron kayong alam nyo na palang may nag-tie, sana ang ginawa nyo lang
Sinabi nyo na agad.
from the beginning, announcement na 10 plus 1. Hindi yung parang nag-break kayo, natawag nyo tapos biglang may pa-announcement. Kasi parang either na parang alam ko na gusto ko makapasok si Thailand sa top 10, parang nagmukha siyang kaawa-awa na parang pasang-tawa.
I think Thailand deserve to be part of that. And siguro mali lang yung announcement. Dapat para i-inform na yung mga viewers na nag-buy tayo. So parang dapat hindi na muna tinapos yung announcement ng top 10. Dapat sinama na siya. Parang hindi naging maganda yung sa paningin, di ba?
Oo, kasi parang nagmukha tuloy siyang cooking show.
Pero deserve naman niya talaga.
Oo, deserve naman talaga ni Thailand na makapasok sa top 10. Pero kasi parang na-surprise lang tayo doon sa yung announcement nila na parang, ano nangyari? Bakit biglang pumasok to? Dapat walang ganun. But, sabi ko nga, deserve pa din.
Yeah.
Eto, nakarating ng top 6. Ano masasabi mo doon? Dapat ba nandoon talaga siya o dapat kung may tatanggalin ka sa top 6 kanina, sino yung tatanggalin mo at sino yung ipapalit mo?
Sa top 6 ko,
I think ako si Canada. Kasi in fairness naman kay
si Canada or si Spain.
Si Spain.
Or Brazil.
Pumasok ba sa top 10 kanina si Spain?
Hindi.
Oo. Hindi, doon sa top 6 na.
Oh, sa top 6 nga, yun. Yeah.
Di ba?
Si Canada.
Oo, ako si Canada yung ipapasok ko na dapat pumasok siya kasi sino yung tatanggalin mo?
Thailand. Or Korea.
Ako kasi di ba parang lumabas kasi na parang pumasok si Thailand doon sa tapos bigla siyang pumasok pa sa top. Parang alam mo yun, parang hindi ko alam kung ano yung nangyari.
Hindi, I think kasi tawag dito, kung i-base lang sa i-base lang dun sa Q&A, I think nakasabot naman ng maayos sila sa Thailand compared to sa isa. Yun lang yun.
Ayun.
Yun.
Tapos punta naman tayo doon kay Sino yung isang to? Magbitin mo na, okay lang yan.
Si Kay.
Okay. Kung ikaw, doon sa mga naloka ako doon sa Q&A ni Korea. Kasi parang nag-hang. Saka yung translator, parang kasi pag sa akin, pag may mga translator kasi parang napapaganda na nila yung sinasabi na parang wala naman akong eksaktong alam na yun ba yung sinabi. So yun yung akin.
Yeah.
Pero
Ganun talaga yung advantage kayo na lang may
so
interpreter.
Kung top 3, sino para sa'yo dapat?
Yung
Doon sa mga sumagot kanina.
Yung top 3 ko sa sumagot kanina, siyempre si Kurt.
Philippines,
Si
Lebanon.
Lebanon, okay naman yung niya.
Maganda yung sagot yun doon sa may yung gay equality.
Tsaka si Nigeria.
Nigeria.
And
Sino pa? Yung dapat yung pumasok sa'yo?
yung tatlo.
Si Lebanon. Yes, oo. Hindi si Nigeria kasi parang hindi siya nakasagot ng parang yung
Actually, maayos yung sagot mo.
maayos yung sagot niya pero parang hindi naging impact.
Yun.
Ganon.
Mahina lang yung
Ako kasi talagang choices ko kasi sa top 3 ko is Korea, Nigeria, and Philippines. So, kahit yung nag-perform na kanina si performance level, okay. Pero yung dating doon sa Q&A, parang nanghinayang lang ako kasi hindi niya naipalo yung sarili niya. Maganda yung sagot niya pero hindi naging impactful ba? Ganon, naging impact yung dating. Ganon.
sayang.
Pero total suma, job well done naman talaga lahat. Medyo nakakakaba yung tension.
Actually lahat naman sila, they gave their best. If you will see them on stage, talagang binigay nila yung best nila. Kaya lang talagang napakahigpit ng labanan nila. Kaya ganun.
Ako hindi sa mahigpit yung labanan kasi parang feeling ko kaya ni Kurt. Nagwo-worry lang ako doon sa magiging desisyon ng iba. Kasi saka ko na-ichichika sa inyo. Pero dito na muna tayo na at least at the end of the story.
Spill the tea. Next time.
Meron ako. Bukas na yun. Pero at the end of the story, nanalo tayo at nakuha natin yung people daw. Binigay pa rin nila talaga ng 100%. So parang pili ko doon sa part na yun, napakaswerte pa rin talaga. Di ba talaga yung power of prayer? Kasi kanina sabi ko talaga sa mind ko, maloloko niyo yung mga tao pero hindi niyo maloloko ang Diyos.
Kung nakikita niyo lang si Mami Sam kanina, nagpipray yan.
Hindi kasi parang I feel bad na parang ang dami mo naririnig na ito yung gusto, ito yung parang yung laro ba. Tapos hindi ka sigurado kung makukuha. Hanggat kasi walang announcement. Ang iniisip ko pa nga kanina, baka gawin lang ang second din.
Kaya
Pero kasi di ba si Lebanon, din, top favorite din nila. So yun.
Pero nag-stick talaga ako sa instinct ko.
Mr. Italy, when 1 minute. So yun. So ang importante is lumaban. So Mr. Italy is here and not live and recorded. So what do you want to say to the Filipino people, to all supporters from the Philippines?
Nice to meet you, nice to see you. Well, I hope you see the pageant. I did my best. I know that the results is not the best one, but as I said already to Sam, I learned a lot from this pageant. So for me, this is a real experience first. I feel
You're coming back, right?
Yeah,
Very
definitely.
soon.
I will coming back in.
They're
Maybe.
waiting.
Yeah, I would like to.
Maybe in Supranational.
I would like to join another pageant. Honestly, let's see. Nothing is sure, but yeah, I would love it. Maybe in Philippines, who knows? So we will see. We will see. I will do my best. I like this experience. It's something that really lets you grow a lot as a person, and I know myself better now. And I meet a lot of friends.
Announcement of top 20. What do you feel? And,
Honestly-
the first one, second one, third one.
Yeah. At the beginning, your heart beats so
Yeah,
fast.
really.
Yeah. But with names going ahead, it's a bit sad. Don't listen to your name. Don't listen to your name. But at the same moment, you're happy.
You wait.
I was happy because I was thinking, I don't care if I go in the top 20, if I go in the top 10. I was thinking about all these weeks, all the days spent with all the guys, with all the things that I learned, and I keep smiling because I was happy anyway.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, it is.
And the important is you make a friendship, a lot of friends, and experience.
Experience, knowledge, of course. I learned a lot, as I say. So I'm happy. I'm coming back with a smile, and I hope to come back here also with a smile.
So what did you learn this experience?
In this experience, I learned a lot from the other guys that more than a lot of the guys are older than me. So they teach me a lot, especially for life. And I learned a lot about the pageantry. So I know how to behave maybe in the next pageant.
Behave. You behave.
Oh, I mean, how to fix my luck.
Yeah, Italy, you are the best.
Yeah.
Yes, you are the best version to yourself.
Yeah, of course.
That is the important. So maybe
But
it's
tomorrow better and the day after better.
not, but it's not time for you.
Yeah, of
I
course.
believe.
I believe in time, and especially I think that
Destiny.
I mean I have an entire life. You have to fall before learning how to fly. So
Maybe
I will be happy to fall again and again before flying.
Yes, and then the important is you make the good relationship to all people you met here,
Yes.
especially like me.
Yeah, of course. I'm sure that we will meet again.
Yes, of
We'll
course.
definitely-
Of course. We'll support you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You will check my movement by the Instagram page,
Of
so you will
course.
know where I'm going.
Gabrielle.
Yeah.
And then of course invite them to your social media.
Yeah, you can follow me now. I changed my name because it was not easy to follow to find on Instagram. So my name is Gabriele Manna 17. You can find me, and in the next month I will be in LA for work, and who knows, maybe the month after again here.
Yeah.
We will see. We will see.
You're still young.
Yes, and I'm happy to because I'm young and already experienced this. A lot of guys cannot experience all of this.
Exactly.
So I'm very happy about it.
Yeah, I'm happy for you as well. Yeah, God bless you and more power.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And believe yourself all the time.
I will always do.
This experience is good for you. You learn a lot, like you said, and then you can use it for the next round for your.
Definitely.
Next.
In life, I will use it in life.
And happy.
Yeah,
So,
always happy.
what can you say about the winners? Kurt.
The winners?
Yeah.
Well-
How's your experience with Kurt?
Honestly, I didn't know him a lot.
Because you're focusing some group of friends.
No, honestly, no. I talk to everybody. For me, everybody's is brothers. Here, I feel like I have new family because we really create amazing connection. Honestly, he also was sick during the competition
Yes,
and
yeah.
for a bit, yeah. So we didn't connected a lot. But I mean, I'm happy for him. I'm sure that they make the right decision. And I hope he's gonna. I'm sure that he's gonna take the name of Mr. International high. So we can learn maybe from him.
You're sexy the way you walk your yesterday in preliminary.
I don't even notice that. I try to be my best, but sometimes.
I think you'll have to practice walking more and focus to angle
I will do it definitely. I know this is
Rise angle, the camera
and
is
I'm sure that I
there.
will do it. In the next months, in the next years,
Because I
maybe I will
think
do it.
yesterday you just walk. I don't know what you feel the moment you walk, but about the how to play to the camera.
Yeah.
That is your.
I was a bit nervous with the swimwear
I think
because
so.
you can notice that I have not on a lot of contested bands, but this will change because I want to change. I want to put myself. I already tried to do it, and now I'm more hungry than before.
One more tip. One more tip. It's not about the how sexy you are or how to do your body. It's about your confidence.
Yeah, I know.
And the way you look at the camera. Because no matter what happens, you're confident. And like you said, you feel nervous. So of course you focus yourself to finish your walk.
Yeah, I was thinking about my body, so that was a bit.
But if you walk like confident and the judges so you are enjoying, I think you're good looking.
I will remember these tips for the next one.
Yeah.
I will thank you for that.
Yes, even Kurt, I told many times, oh, please change your strategy, it's not working for you, please. But yeah, he did right. Yeah.
He did all the pain.
Because we stop. And when I saw you, you walk like straight. The
I'm still looking for my
It look
style.
like the emotion you have to, because if you're confident, you have to out your emotion.
I'm
But next
gonna
time,
definitely fix it with acting classes so that I can learn about myself.
your emotion and the way you look the camera, I think they feel the judges, they feel you. Because you're good looking already.
Definitely. No, I can't wait to come back in my
And
country.
because you're not trained before you come here.
I did it, but in the last month, I started really. I did it for the summer, for all the summer. Instead of going to the beach, I was training. But the last month was really, really busy for me. I trained for the competition and I moved all around. It was confusional, and I skipped few workouts, but I will do it because I'm a sport lover. Also, if I didn't work out, I always play football, basketball, tennis, whatever I can. So, like this.
But last night, Christina and Perez have a big discussion about you because he told me, oh, I think Mr. Italy go to the top 20. I
a
said,
lot of guys told me
I
they were
said,
surprised.
I said when I look at him, I think have a something problem about the movie. I think for me it's no.
Yeah.
But he said, no, he will go in the top 20. I said, let's see. Yes. But that is my analysis.
No, I totally agree with you, and I appreciate when people criticize me because it's only because it can only help.
Your body is so sexy, your skin is so good, and your facial expression is so beautiful. But your face is so beautiful, but it's
I have
look
to learn
like
how to
it's
do
look like the feeling. The feeling, the way you smile, the way you look the camera, that is very important. Next time.
I will improve it.
Yes,
You will
of
see a
course.
better version of me.
Wow!
Yes,
I love
right.
it. That is the
Promise.
spirit.
I promise.
Either Kurt joined to the Mr. World before, either the top 10 or top until top 20 only. And then, oh, everybody shocked.
Yeah.
But I know what is wrong about the movie. But I told him, oh, you have to change your mood, you have to change your.
Of course, you have experience because there's a lot of useful.
Yes, and same you. Yeah. Today you're not win, but next time I think you will. Look
I
at your
will.
face.
I will. I promise. You will see another version of me. Better version.
So where you join, you can join in supranational.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, your face is good for supranational.
That would be amazing. I hope so.
And try to, but if you go to supranational, try to move more.
Yeah. Also because it's more on modeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will. I will train and experience and work a lot. So it's just question of time, patience, and discipline.
Yeah.
Discipline, of course.
Good job. God bless you and more power. We believe you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I will remember it.
Gabriel from Italy. Thank you so much, Gabriel. We'll see you again, right?
Yes, definitely. I'm sure. I'm sure, 100% sure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for the support.
Your popcorn.
Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna eat more. Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Bye-bye.
Bye. That's on. So, halika na, bumalik na tayo. Ito naman si,
May nahulog na key card kasi.
ito na yung sasali sa, sa next supranational. So, yun. So, maganda kasi yung mga relationship ko sa kanila.
Mababait naman sila.
Mababait sila. And then, ayun nga. So, syempre, nanalo tayo. Kaya, happy tayo.
Grabe yun.
Ayun yung important. So, yun. So, thank you so much, guys. Dito na natin tatapusin yung chika natin kasi nakausap na natin si Gabriel at nabigay natin sa kanya yung oras. But, guys, syempre, abangan ninyo yung aking reaction. So, thank you so much sa iyo.
Thank you rin mo yun.
I hope happy ka today.
Naman.
Ayun, no? Invite mo sila sa mga ginagawa mo. Di ba nag-ano ka din? Nagbablog-vlog ka din?
Ayun. Sige lang.
Sige na, go. Huwag kang biyak.
Ayun, ano yun. Just follow me, Rojfard.
Anong spell?
R-O-J.
R-O-J ba? Paano naman galit?
R-O-J.
Gandahan mo naman.
R-O-J. F-A-J-A-R-D-O.
Ayun. So maraming salamat, guys. Please follow him Instagram.
Instagram is Roger Thomas. I'm not using my surname.
Okay.
It's my middle name.
Okay. So yun, guys. So paki-follow na lang po. Kung gusto niyo makuha yung mga reaction. Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Kumakanta.
Kumakanta. Kumakanta. Okay, so yun. So, hindi pa siya marunong kumanta, ako hindi. So guys, maraming salamat. Hanggang dito na lang. Hanggang sa muli nating chikahan. Paalam.